Are you struggling to make money online at the moment? If so, then this might be something you should watch. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can set up your own online business without any investment and without owning a website. And you can make $500 per day, even if you're a complete newbie who's never done so before. So, if you're excited to get started, be sure you keep watching this video. And with all of that said, let's now get right into this tutorial. Today, I have a very easy way for you to make money online. And the main platform you will be using to get paid is this one I am on as we speak, called Kicksta.co. And even if you've never heard of this website before, the fact that it says get real Instagram followers using our powerful growth tool on the homepage here tells you that it's a tool for people who want to grow their social media accounts, namely their Instagram accounts. What's very much worth noting about this tool is that it does not sell fake followers, just like it says right here. So, this is not a place where you can come and buy fake followers, but rather by using this website, you can acquire real followers who will allow you to boost your Instagram account and get it to a whole new level. With that being said, though, does this mean that you are now going to create a brand new Instagram page and then use this to grow it? Absolutely not. Today, I have a free strategy to share, meaning that you will not be paying any of the platforms I'm about to show you. And many of you, of course, will be asking yourselves now, so what am I doing here? And the truth is that you will want to promote this website to make money online. And there is no shortage of benefits in doing so, as I will explain to you in a moment. For now, though, what I need you to do is some quick reading on the homepage of the website. Just invest a bit of your time into this so you really know about this website. Then, with that done, what you will want to do is head over to their affiliate page, since, as I said before, you will be promoting them. And doing so is really easy. First, scroll down until you reach the very bottom of their website. Then, just click on affiliates right over here. On the following page, you will now be able to see a bunch of info on this website, such as how much it pays in commissions and so much more. And before we continue, guys, what's very much worth noting as arguably the biggest benefit of promoting a site like this is that a lot of people need to grow their Instagram accounts. We're literally talking about millions of people here, and as more people start using Instagram, which is happening right now, there will be more people who would want to grow their accounts in order to be able to make money online. And so, your very first benefit of promoting this site in particular is that the customer number is huge, since billions of people use Instagram. But more importantly than that, the number will increase as time goes on, meaning that you, as an affiliate, will have no shortage of customers. The next big benefit to promoting this website is the sheer amount of money it pays. As you can see down here, we're talking about 50% commissions, which is nearly unheard of as far as affiliate marketing strategies are concerned. As many of you know, the average commissions sit at 30% or so, possibly even less. So, to put it bluntly, this site pays much more than other websites. Other features it offers that are worth mentioning is the 45-day cookie. And what this means is that when you bring someone to this website via your affiliate link, even if they sign up in 44 days or less, you will still get paid. And this can turn out to be incredibly beneficial, actually, even though it may not seem like so. Other features they offer that are quite decent as well is that they will pay you on time always. And so, to now sign up to this website as an affiliate, guys, what you need to do is first click on this button. And then on the following page, you'll have to type in all of this info so you can sign up to the website in basically a minute. What happens now, though, is that you will have to wait, as you can see, between 24 and 48 hours to get approved into their program. And once you do, you will be able to grab your affiliate link and actually start promoting the website. And as you will soon see, I have a very unique traffic source that will also get you a ton of people to click on your link as well. So stay tuned for that. That traffic source, guys, is actually none other than YouTube.com. When I search for how to grow on Instagram, you can all see all of these videos that have gotten a ton of views. Some even gotten millions of views. So this just goes to show you what I was talking about a moment ago. A ton of people have Instagram accounts, and consequently, a ton of people would get value out of a tool like Kicksta.co. With that being said, though, does this mean that you now want to upload a video onto YouTube where you're showing your face on camera? Absolutely not. It's worth noting that if you don't mind doing that, then that might be the best option, but it's not really necessary whatsoever. So that begs the question, how can you make this work? Well, what you can do, guys, is actually record a video with a free screen recorder like OBS, just like I'm doing at this very moment, and you can talk over a microphone while going over to Kicksta and telling people about all of its amazing features. This is where the reading I told you to do in the beginning comes into play. You want to mention all the great features Kicksta has. Tell the people that you've used this tool to grow yourself before and that it has helped you a lot. And then near the end of the video, you can say something like, if you want to try this tool out, then be sure you click on the first link down below, or something similar to that. The point is here that you leave your affiliate link in the description and tell the viewers about it. And a lot of people would want to check out Kicksta, guys, despite you not showing your face on camera. With that being said now, if some of you don't own a microphone or if you just don't feel like talking into your mic, then you can just pay some freelancer on Upwork.com to do the voiceover for you. But this is only if you really have to, since paying voice actors is very expensive. So if you can, be sure you do the voice yourself. Anyways, now that you have your video done, to make it that much better, I highly recommend you use this website here as well called videasy.com. On this website, you can find free stock videos that you can download and use free of charge and free from any copyright issues. So what you can do to make your video a bit more appealing to people is insert a few clips here and there. And whilst talking onto your microphone, this will make your video not only better, but it will get you more people to click on your affiliate link, ultimately making you more money in the process. And if you are wondering how can you add the clips into your video without a video editor, here's a free one called Lightworks, which I highly recommend for this particular purpose. It's perfect for beginners. It's 100% free to download, and it's very easy to use. So it's a perfect match for you guys. And from here, thanks to YouTube's sheer popularity and the fact that the niche in which you're uploading your video gets a ton of views, it's basically certain that your video will get decent numbers. And remember that you don't need any crazy numbers to make this work at all. Merely 10 people signing up to your affiliate link would already earn you hundreds of dollars. So you don't even need high numbers of views to begin with, and arguably the greatest part is that once your video goes live, you won't have to do any work to get traffic to your link. Your video will instead do that for you. It can hardly get any easier than that, guys. If you enjoyed today's video and you got some value out of it, then support me and this channel by leaving a like down below. And in case you're interested in more ways you can get paid online, don't forget to check out the 2 videos that'll pop up in a moment. Since new videos are being uploaded on here literally daily, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of the new videos. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll be seeing you in some of the upcoming videos.